In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can change your birth date on Instagram. You can simply change your Instagram date of birth in just few simple steps. To do this, simply open up your Instagram. On your profile page, tap right here on these three lines. Select Settings and Privacy. Tap on the first option of Accounts Center. On this page, select the option of Personal Details right here. Then select right here on Birthday. Tap on the Edit button. Then you will be able to change to any date of your own choice. Tap on Save and your Instagram birth date will get updated successfully. That's how easy it is to change your Instagram date of birth. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.